Samsung Galaxy J5, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number for the following device. At first, let's go with the quicker method, so open the phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you'll notice both IMEI number and serial number for your Samsung Galaxy. Click on OK to go back. And now let's go to the second method, a bit longer. So at first you have to open list of all applications, find and select the settings. Then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Device. Let's go a bit lower and click on Status. Scroll down one more time. And here you've got serial number, and under IMEI information you will locate your IMEI number. So actually that's it. This is how you can easily locate IMEI and serial number for your Samsung Galaxy J5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.